Look at this guys, this application can verify any of the KYC verification in any phone and any application platform like Binance, Uber, Stripe and any application as you want. This will help you bypass any of the detection system that exists. You have to contact me at Telegram. I will give this application Telegram username is showing in the screen, or you can visit the description link of the Telegram or comment section. This application works with OBS or any of the platform on rooted or non-rooted application phone. Non-rooted phone is also supported with best performance. Look at this, oh my god, this is very realistic and it can do ID verification also on the any Meta or any other application that you actually want. I will give you the videos also that you can use it on this application like and this. The best thing is that it does not causes any glitch or any other problem. And I am using it from since 4 years, but it does not causes any problem. It is working smoothly like this, and this is very best application. Now contact me fast. You can download my profile link or any link that I gave to you. Look at this. Oh my disclaimer, this is the educational video which is made for educational purposes.